We're shooting with a POCO M3 today so you can see for yourself how the cameras do. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to Isada's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. Yes, we're taking the POCO M3 out for a spin, but before that, it's almost time for the holidays, you guys, and it's also almost time for 12/12, which means more sales. So here are some tech and tech-related suggestions of things you can get your loved ones. Just a few of my favorite things that I've shopped from Lazada. First off, we have this back massager, which is my absolute favorite thing. Is the best massager I've gotten from the many I've tried. Oh, best. I'll put the link down below. Next up, a more practical gift that anyone would be grateful to receive. This is one of my all-time favorite buys. This is a wire box holder. So basically you put the sockets inside and then all the wires come out here, and that means that crazy wire mess is out of sight and organized in your home. Another thing that would make a cute gift would be this cherry ionizer, which is this teeny thing you can wear around your neck. Ooh, okay, it opens. Which is this teeny thing you can wear around your neck when you go out to make sure there's just an extra layer of protection. I love that it's red too. Also, this Rockspace UV sterilizer, which looks so small and compact, except it opens up so you can accommodate more things inside. I love this thing, and when we do start traveling, this is something that's gonna come in really handy. And finally, this last thing I'm just about to buy. This UV sterilizer is cute. It comes in pink. It's large enough to house like more stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna get this. A bunch of those things will be on sale, so buy more, save more in Lazada's 12/12 brand Christmas sale. Pro tip, what I do is I scour the app for deals and then add to cart now. Then check out on December 12 to 14 for Lazada's 12/12 brand Christmas sale. And they have over 120 discount vouchers and shipping vouchers to be given away. And they also have a voucher code, so you're welcome. Anyway, I'll put the links down in the description box below so you can check that out. Meanwhile, back to the phone, which also happens to be a very pretty and practical gift. Like I said in my unboxing video, which I will also link up here and down below, the POCO M3 is an amazingly great value device, and that's a good looking phone considering it's in the entry-level category. Priced starting at $130 or 7,000 pesos. One wonders though just how good the cameras are on this thing. So we're here to find out. To recap, there are 3 cameras on the back, a main 48 megapixel shooter, a 2 megapixel macro shooter, and a 2 megapixel depth shooter. Up front is a single 8 megapixel selfie camera. So what are we waiting for? Let's get on to the vlog test. Right, vlog test time. This is the front-facing camera of the POCO M3, and as you can see, oh my gosh, my pimples. Wait, there is a beauty mode on here, so let's try that. This is 100% and it's a little too smooth for my taste. My pimples are still there, so let's tone it down a little. 30 looks good and fresh. I mean, my pimples really are like crazy. I'm on antibiotics for these, so like I'm pretty sure it'll deal with like tinier pimples, you know. So yeah, let's go back to normal. Back to 1080p now, because when you do effects, it downgrades video to 720p. I mean, a lot of phones do that, so that's fine. But yeah, hi! Time for some selfies. Right, time for some selfies. I am not entirely feeling myself right now because, oh my gosh, if you've seen my stories, I have talked about what is going on with my face. But yeah, we are on photo mode and we have beauty modes here. So this is 100, which I find a little too much, and this is at around 11. Now I usually do this, and usually this is enough to blur out pimples, but mine are extremely crazy big, so we're gonna leave it at that. Let's ignore. Is there gesture selfie? Yes. Okay. Oh, see, that's not bad. Like, My pimple is still gigantic, but I'm still looking pretty fresh. Oh, I'm still looking fresh. There are edit options on here so you can beautify even after. So I don't want to do that. You have cropping, different filters. Ooh, you have stickers. There are also like doodle options, watermark options, and then you can still adjust photo settings. You have frames. What's mosaic? Oh, I like this because you can sort of blur stuff out, like my whole face, but no, we're not gonna do that. I want to do the other mode, which is the portrait mode now. Let's adjust. This is F16, so this means that you can see the background, but why is the background not blurring? Oh, there you go. So as you can see, the back has been blurred. Now that is a pretty decent cutout. Like, bokeh cutouts never get it perfect, but this is actually good. Doesn't look bad. Everything is cut out right. Even like this little corner at the bottom in between like my top and my hand, like they got that right. So that's good. Nice. That's a nice bokeh. I'm impressed. So one of my favorite modes on Xiaomi phones is the movie frame mode because I just feel like it adds certain drama to a photo. So let me show you something. Hello, so now we are on the rear camera and this is 1080p. This phone can shoot up until 1080p and it can do like 6x zoom. This is 6x zoom right now. Hi. We're gonna try this outside with the dogs in a hot second, but first let's take a few sample shots with the rear camera. Right, that was a lot of selfies. Let's move on to taking photos of other things. We're gonna see the dogs soon. Let's go. Right, welcome to our Sunday afternoon. Look at Chu, the dog. This is 6x. There's no wide on this phone, so this is the widest it can get, 1x. Right, so there's also a pro mode on this phone and it can do pro mode on photos and on videos. I wanted to show that out, but for some reason I recorded this without audio. So yeah, here it is, the pro mode. And well, up next are photos of my aquarium. Oh, that's such a nice shot. So there is someone at the door. And Chu is just waiting. Aww. That's cute. Walking and talking, let's go. Say hi to the dogs. Hello! What a lovely afternoon, you guys. Zoom. Hi! Hi guys. Right, walking and talking. This is how video is stabilized on the POCO M3. Ooh, you want to see the fishies? So this camera also has macro mode on video. So this is what that macro mode looks like, and I'm thinking one of the most ideal scenarios because I'm like outdoors and the sun is bright and shining and lighting is great. So as you can see, it focuses when you're like really deep in there. Like I am super close to the pond right now. So when you shoot on macro mode, it reverts to 720p though. Wow, that looks good. Here are more shots. So like a lot lot of phones, there is a dedicated 48 megapixel mode on this phone because the main shooter is 48 megapixels. Now that means you can shoot in full 48 megapixels, aka that's a very big photo, versus the normal smaller photo that the main cameras take because they use pixel binning to make better but smaller photos. So this is 48 megapixel and this is a normal photo. Let's see the difference. So this is a normal photo, this is a 48 megapixel photo. As you can see, like, well, it can zoom up until there. This is the normal photo. And this is the 48 megapixel photo. Do you see how much bigger that is? Although I have to say, like, I think the normal photo looks better and brighter. And finally, let's test out the night mode. Except I'm not going out unless absolutely necessary, so we create a literal dark room for sample shots. Hello from my jammies. So we're gonna be testing out the night mode, and all we'll need is a candle and yup, let's go. And that was our POCO M3 vlog test. Obviously, this thing does not have the greatest cameras, and at the price point it's at, we did not expect that either. But that 48 megapixel shooter does show that it is possible. This phone can take good photos in ideal lighting situations. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Let me know if you think that the POCO M3 camera is good enough for that price tag. That's it for today. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's isadoes_, that's Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time.